Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese at home with milk. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: fresh milk, rennet, and a starter culture. Make sure your milk is not ultra-pasteurized, as this can prevent proper curd formation. Next, prepare your workspace by sanitizing all equipment, including pots, spoons, and molds. This step is vital for preventing unwanted bacteria. Finally, have a good thermometer ready, as precise temperature control is key to successful cheesemaking. Once your ingredients are ready, gently heat the milk to the recommended temperature, typically around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid scorching the milk by stirring constantly. After reaching the target temperature, stir in your starter culture and let it ripen for about 30 to 60 minutes. This allows the bacteria to begin acidifying the milk. Then, add the rennet, stirring briefly, and let the milk sit undisturbed until it forms a firm, gel-like curd, usually within 45 minutes. After the curd has set, it's time to cut it. Use a long knife to slice the curd into small, uniform cubes, often around 1/2 inch. This increases the surface area, allowing whey to escape. Gently stir the curds while slowly increasing the temperature to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which further encourages whey expulsion. Once the curds feel firm, transfer them to a colander lined with cheesecloth to drain the remaining whey. This process can take 30 minutes or more. Now for the final steps. Place your drained curds into a cheese mold and press them, applying gradual pressure to form a solid wheel. This removes more whey and gives your cheese its shape. Next, salt the cheese, either by brining or dry salting, which enhances flavor and helps preserve it. Remember to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, age your cheese in a cool, humid environment for weeks or months, allowing its unique flavors to develop fully. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.